Located in the heart of Kissimmee, Old Town is a charming shopping and entertainment district reminiscent of a classic Florida town. While some attractions within Old Town may require payment, simply wandering the streets and soaking up the nostalgic atmosphere is free. Visitors can admire the vintage architecture, browse unique shops selling antiques and souvenirs, and enjoy live music and street performances. Don't miss the weekly classic car show featuring beautifully restored automobiles from the 1950s and 60s. Kelly Park, Rock Springs Run. Located in Apopka, Kelly Park is renowned for its natural spring and scenic beauty. While there's a small fee for parking, typically per vehicle, admission to the park itself is free. Visitors can cool off in the refreshing waters of Rock Springs Run, which maintain a constant temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit year-round. The park offers a variety of recreational activities, including tubing, swimming, snorkeling, and picnicking. Nature lovers can also explore the park's hiking trails and observe native wildlife such as otters, turtles, and wading birds. Crane's Roost Park, situated in Altamonte Springs. Crane's Roost Park is a picturesque waterfront destination offering scenic views and recreational opportunities.